The source. Have you ever looked at a dirty, worn-out car tire and thought, I want to eat that? Probably not. But the chewing gum industry has a secret they don't want you to know. Welcome to the Black Necropolis, a massive graveyard where millions of tires come to die. But here, death is just the beginning of a delicious transformation. You see, modern chewing gum is essentially made of synthetic rubber, polymers, and plasticizers. And guess what tires are made of? Exactly, the same molecular building blocks. The destruction. You can't just melt a tire. It's too tough. You have to shatter its spirit first. The tires are plunged into a thermal shock chamber filled with liquid nitrogen at -196 degrees Celsius. In seconds, the rubber undergoes a violent phase change. It loses all elasticity, freezing instantly and becoming as brittle as glass. This is the only way to separate the rubber from the steel skeleton inside. The frozen tires are dropped into a hammer mill. The impact is catastrophic. The tires explode into thousands of obsidian-like shards. Huge magnets rip the steel wires away, leaving behind a stream of pure, frozen black rubber granules. It looks like coal, but soon it will look like candy. The liquefacients. Now, we enter the chemical danger zone. The frozen granules are dumped into a massive stainless steel digester reactor. This is where the chemistry happens. A toxic green solvent is injected to break down the sulfur bonds that hold the rubber together. As the heat rises, the solid shards melt into a thick, boiling, pitch-black sludge. It looks like crude oil or hot roofing tar, bubbling ominously in the tank. It is viscous, heavy, and completely inedible. But hidden inside this black goo is the prize. The sludge is pumped through microscopic ceramic filters under immense pressure. These filters trap the carbon black particles and heavy metals. Watch closely. The liquid that drips out the other side is no longer black. It is a clear, golden amber gel. The toxic tire has been purified into a clean polymer base, the Alcini. It's smooth, glossy, and looks exactly like melted marshmallow. But it still needs one thing: soul. A robotic arm injects a high-pressure blast of neon, bubblegum pink, dye, and concentrated artificial sweeteners into the white mass. Giant steel dough hooks knead the mixture, folding the color in until the industrial rubber is replaced by soft, stretchy, and vibrant pink dough. The transformation is terrifyingly beautiful. The illusion. The giant pink blob is rolled flat, dusted with anti-stick powder, and sliced into thousands of identical rectangular pads. Mechanical fingers wrap them in shiny silver foil at lightning speed, hiding their dark origins forever. They are packed into colorful boxes with happy fruit graphics ready for the shelves. When you unwrap a stick of Tire Fresh, it smells like strawberries and summer days. It's soft, chewy, and blows the perfect bubble. But as that bubble bursts on your lips, remember this. Just a few days ago, that gum was rolling down a highway at 60 miles per hour, covered in mud. The cycle is complete. From the asphalt to your taste buds. Enjoy your chew.
Introducing the next level of clean. Tire Fresh Gum. It's innovation you can taste.